Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to archive records in Airtable. This is a really useful way to keep your workspace clean and organized without permanently deleting important data. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Airtable homepage where all your bases are displayed. Now, from your homepage, simply click on the data or base where you want to archive some records. This could be a project tracker, a client database, or any other base you're working with. Click on it to open it up. Once you're inside your base, look for the plus icon at the top of your columns. This is where you can add new fields to your table. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Checkbox. This checkbox field will be the key to managing your archived records. Next, you'll need to name this new field. Type in archive as the field name, then click Create Field. This checkbox column will now appear in your table, ready to help you organize which records should be archived. Now comes the simple part. Just check the box next to any record you want to archive. You can select multiple records by checking several boxes at once. This marks them as ready to be archived without deleting them from your database. After you've checked the records you want to hide, click on the filter option at the top of your view, then click Add Condition to set up your first filter. In the condition fields, input where archive is, and then select the empty box option. This tells Airtable to only show records where the archive checkbox is unchecked. And just like that, all the checkboxes disappear from your main view. They're not deleted, just hidden away, keeping your workspace clean and focused on active records. Now, to actually see your archived records, you'll need to create another grid view. Click on the View dropdown and select Create New Grid View. Name this new view Archive Task, then click Create New View. This will open up a fresh view where you can set different filters. In this new Archive Task view, click on Filter again, then click Add Condition. This time, input where archive is, and then check the checkbox option. This does the opposite of your main view, showing only the records you've marked as archived, and there you have it. This view now represents your archive, giving you easy access to all those records you've tucked away whenever you need to reference them. You've successfully set up a simple but powerful archiving system in Airtable that keeps your data organized without losing anything important. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.